come to you. Ooh, delicious surprises
before your very eyes. A scratch, a smile, a shake, a shine, a shoe.
When you go out shopping, why don't you just pop in? Mopatop's the shop for me and you.
Oh, hello. Welcome to Mopatop Shop. I'm Mopatop, and this is my shop. I've got everything you could ever think or dream of in this shop. Oh, if there's something you'd like that you can't see, just tell me, and I'll find it for you. Would you like, something to wear? Or a coconut with hair?
Hello there.
Or a bag of fresh air.
Oh, lovely.
Super.
Ooh, just a minute. I can smell something else now. Ooh, something whiffy.
Oh, yes, so can I. Ooh.
I say, old chap, could I have that bag of fresh air?
Oh, of course you can, Miss Coconut.
Oh, thank you so much.
There you are. Ooh.
Pooh-wee, what is that smell?
And where's it coming from?
Oh, what is that yummy, scrummy smell? Oh, it's coming from down here somewhere. Oh, it's cheese. It's just got to be cheese.
Is that cheese I can smell, Moosey?
Hey, I smell cheese. That's the cheesiest cheese I ever did smell.
Oh, Moosey, do you think you can find it for us?
I'll try.
Oh, Pooh-wee, it's ever so smelly, Mopatop. Oh, I'm sure it's going to keep customers away.
Oh, don't worry, Puppyduck. We'll open the summer garden cupboard.
Oh, that's a good idea. Then the smell of the summer flowers will cover up that other pongy smell. Ugh.
Hello. Don't we smell flowery?
You do.
Oh, yes, that's much better. Oh, here comes a customer.
Good morning. I've come about a smell.
Oh, yes. We have lots of smells.
Especially today.
We smell?
So do I. I'm the Sniffly Whiffler.
The Sniffly Whiffler.
Sniffly Whifflers collect smells.
Well, where'd you keep them?
Why, just here. And...
To tell the truth, I need a smell. Good smell, bad smell, who can tell? 'Cause what smells fine to a Mopatop may cause Puppyduck to flop. What I carry in my bag may cause people's knees to sag. Some are not that strong, I think. Some... they really pong and stink. I'm called the Sniffly Whiffler, so I'll sniff your whiffs before I go. The Sniffly Whiffler takes such pride in finding smells where they are hiding.
I'm after something really whiffy. Really, really whiffy, and... I'm definitely smelling something.
Oh, Mopatop, I think the Sniffly Whiffler can smell the horrid poggy smell.
Yes, there it is. It smells as if it's coming from up there.
It's getting stronger and stronger.
You're getting warmer, Moosey.
Yes, I am. This is hard work.
Oh, but it'll be worth it. This smells like the most delicious piece of cheese ever.
Oh, yes, it's very strong now. Yes, oh, it's too pooey for words. Oh, it's boiled cabbage. It's rubbish bins. It's rhino. It's rotten fish. It's pigsties. Oh, it's gorgeous. I need that smell.
You do?
Oh, yes, I do. I don't have one like that in my collection. I tell you what, I'll give you one of my very best smells if you give me that one. There you are.
Oh, that is a wonderful smell.
Good. Now, please, may I have my smell?
Oh, well, the trouble is, we don't quite know what it is.
Oh, what's here? I know it is.
Oh, hurry up! I'm so hungry!
I can't wait. I got it. Oh, it's a bit squishy for cheese. Oh, pure. Oh.
That's because it's not cheese.
It's a smelly old sock.
Oh.
Oh, I'm not having a smelly old sock up here.
Oh.
Ooh, what's that? Oh, that's it. Oh, that's the smell, and it smells terrible.
Oh, it smells wonderful. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, that's it. This is just the smell I was looking for. Oh, thank you, Mopatop and Puppyduck. You've made a nosy old Sniffly Whiffler very happy.
I'm glad we could help you.
Oh, if you get any more smells like this one, just let me know. Goodbye. Oh, that's gorgeous.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Oh, that cheesy smell has made me so hungry.
And me.
Wait a minute. What's that smell?
Oh, Moosey, that is my second favourite smell. It smells like freshly baked bread.
It is freshly baked bread. Huh, I'm off.
Well, Puppyduck, we were very lucky that the Sniffly Whiffler wanted that smelly sock.
Oh, and she found it just in time, Mopatop. That was the big clock.
You smell wonderful. Would you like to come and smell wonderful in my house?
Oh, I'd love to.
Oh,
It's time to close the shop. I hope we see you again soon.
Very, very soon. Goodbye.
Bye! Time to tidy up.
You want it, we got it. Mopatop has got it. You won't believe the